In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp could not link device try again later error. So if you're facing this error, it might be because of the internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. You can also try switching between the mobile data and Wi-Fi. After that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try updating the app. Open the Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for WhatsApp. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for WhatsApp and tap on it. Now in this interface, you can see the option for update. Tap on it. Now wait for a while and the WhatsApp will be updated. Now the box of the application will be fixed and your problem should also be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, open the app library of your device. Find the application for WhatsApp and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info. After you do that, tap on this option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Now tap on this option Clear Cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, you should be able to link the device. But sometimes the problem might be caused because your WhatsApp time is not synchronized with the actual time. In order to fix it, what you have to do is open the settings on your device. After you do that, scroll down and find this option for system. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for date and time and tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for set time automatically. Make sure this option is toggled on. Now once this option is toggled on, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem with your device. So in that case, try restarting your device. Long press on the power button. Now tap on the option restart that you can see on the screen. After that, your device will be restarted and your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix WhatsApp could not link device try again later error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.